sliders, that is totally fine. Grab a towel. If you don't have a towel, you can still follow along with me without them. Right now, you only need one of them, so you can push one to the side. Today's workout is all about your abs and your lower body, your legs, your booty, and I promise you, you are going to feel it tomorrow. So you are gonna place one of your sliders down. It's gonna be on your right foot. You're gonna follow along with me. We're gonna start in a nice curtsy squat. So as you can see, my back leg is crossed behind me. I'm gonna give you a different view so you can really see that my right hip is pulling all the way forward. So grab that slider, we are in a curtsy, we go into a curtsy squat, you pull it in, ooh, and if that slide doesn't happen, that's okay. So pull it in and curtsy, and in and curtsy. Now, I want you to think about driving your left heel into the ground. You should be able to wiggle those left toes the entire time. Good. Especially as you stand all the way back up. Whoop. That's when you're really driving that heel into the ground. Beautiful. Good. Give me 4 more for 4. Really drive that right hip forward. There it is. Strong abs. Last one, you hold the curtsy, nice and low. Really get that back knee down. We pulse it down and down. Wiggling those left toes. Abs are nice and tight. Good. Release the shoulder tension. Beautiful. Good. You've got 8, 7, 6. For 3, 2, you're gonna hold that curtsy squat nice and low. I know it burns, I'm burning too. Your arms are gonna go back and in. Good, you're squeezing your shoulder blades. There it is, nice and tight. Keep it low, your legs are still bent. You've got 4, 3, 2, you're gonna stay nice and low, just those arms reach down, you bring it up. So just that upper body is moving. Beautiful, so that burn is happening. It's happening on my side. You've got 4 more, here we go. 4, 3, still being able to wiggle those left toes. Last one, here we go. You're gonna pulse it down. You're gonna bring that right knee into your shoulder. Feel those abs, back down to a curtsy. Good, so this is all about balance, tight abs. There it is. We're so close. 2 more. Last one, all the way up into that right shoulder. Squeeze, 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 and down. Beautiful, shake it out. That left side should really be burning. Shake it out. Nice, so we are gonna go into a nice lunge. So you are lunging back and down. I'm gonna give you a side view so you can really see that my knee gets low. I'm staying over my left leg and I'm bringing it up. Upper body is nice and straight. Pull it in. Beautiful. Again, really thinking about driving that left heel into the ground. Keeping those toes nice and light. You should be able to squeeze your back. Good. You've got 4 more. Beautiful. 3. Get low in that back knee. 2. Good. Last one, we hold it nice and low. We go into that pulse. Stay low. You got it. Good. For 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna stay front. I'm gonna face you. We're gonna go back into those arms. It's nice and tight. For 7, 6. Squeeze your shoulder blades back. Good. You've got 4. Stay low in those legs. For 2 and 1. Now we stay low. Again, we are digging and reaching. So I know this is tough, but you can do it. Stay low in those legs. Abs are tight. There it is. Your heart rate should be getting up. It's 4. Beautiful. 3. For 2. Last one. There it is. All right, here we go. We are gonna pulse. You're gonna bring your front leg up in a bent position. Tap that heel. Abs are nice and tight. It's turned out. Back to that lunge. You lift front and lunge. Good. Home stretch. Here's the finale for 4. Good, get low in that back leg. You've got 2. Last one. There it is, get low. Woo, all right, I'm sweating, I hope you are sweating. This is some serious stuff. All right, so we go into a squat. So very similar sequence. You're going squat down low, bring it back in. Squat low, slide it in. Good. So really get low. Again, you're driving your heels into the ground as you stand up. Good. You should be able to wiggle both of your toes this time. Abs are nice and tight. Good. You've got 4. It's 3. Good. Really nice upper body. Last one, you hold it. We pulse down, down. Imagine wrapping those glutes around. Abs are tight, back in. Good. Stick with it. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3. You know what's coming. We're going to go into that arm sequence. Nice and tight. You stay low in those legs. Good. There it is for 4, 3, 2. Stay nice and high. Goes down and up. And by high, I meant low. So stay nice and low in those legs. You've got this for 4. Abs are tight. 3. You've got 2. And 1. Good. Here's our finale. We pulse down. You cross over to that shoulder. A lot of balance there, yeah? So you're going into that left shoulder, pulsing it down. If you fall out of it, no big deal. Get back up in and down. Good. 4. Good. All about that right oblique. Really feel that. Last one. You hold the pulse. We squat low. You've got 8, 7. Good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Yes. Beautiful job, guys. Grab a sip of water if you need it. We are going to go straight into that left side. That's a lot to take in. So really think about driving your supporting heel into the ground the entire time. We are keeping nice and light in those toes. We're going to go straight into it, all right? So back from the top, we cross our left leg behind us now. We go into that curtsy. Again, we're driving that left hip forward. So we're curtsying, you're pulling in. It's nice and low in that back knee. Beautiful. Nice, there it is. For 4, 3, 2. Woo! And if that slider happens to not slide back in, that's okay. Last one. Good, we go into our Curtsies Pulse. It's nice and low. Good, again, we're driving that heel into the ground, but keeping light in those toes. Abs are tight, really getting that hip forward. Give me 4, 3, 2, into our arms. Here we go. It's back and back. Good. You've got 4 more. 4, 3, 2. We stay low in those legs. We dig and reach down. Lift up. It's down. Up. Beautiful. 6, 5, 4. Good. Challenge yourself to stay lower than you want to go. There it is for 2. Last one. Here we go. It's a pulse. You bring it up into that left shoulder. Think about squeezing that side body. Back down. There it is. Up and down. Good. If you fall out of it, that's okay. Really think about strong abs. Those are going to help you balance. There it is. You've got 4 more here. There it is. 2 more. Woo! And if you fall, no big deal. Last one. Up and down. Shake it out. Yes. Hopefully that right side is now a little bit more awake. We go into that back lunge. So back lunge, pull it in. I'm going to face the side so you can really see me. We are lunging, pulling in. So that back knee really gets down low. probably lower than you want to go, but you can do it. Really challenge yourself. It's Friday. Down, pull it in. You've got 4. Wiggle those front toes. Check in with your abs. Last one, we hold it. We pulse it down. Stay low. Wiggle toes. Check in. 8, 7, 6. Good. You've got 4, 3. You know what's coming. Here we go. It's arms. It's back and in. Back. Little faster. Back. Back. Good for 4. 3. Stay low in those legs. We dig and reach. It's low. Bring it up. Low and up. You've got this. Wiggle those front toes. You've got 4. 3. Strong arms. 2. Last one. Here we go. You pulse it down. You bring it up. You tap your heel. Turn that knee out. Lunge back down. Good. Abs are tight. Lunge. Up. Lunge. Beautiful. Give me 4. You've got 3. 2. Last one. Down. Beautiful, guys. You've got 1 more to go, okay? Shake it out. Grab a sip of water if you need to. I'm sweating. I hope you're sweating. All right. Whew. We are squatting. So you get nice and low. You bring it in. Get low. Bring it in. Good. Challenge yourself to get really wide in that squat. Go further than you want to go. There it is. It's 4. Back is still sitting really tight. Think about squeezing those shoulder blades together. There it is for 4. For 3, rib cage stays pulled in. For 2, last one, you hold that squat. Here we go. You pulse it down. Drive those heels, wiggle those toes. Imagine your glutes wrapping around. You've got it for 8. Stay nice and low. Good. You've got 4, 3, stay low. Here we go. For arms, it's back. Squeeze. Good. You've got 4, 3, stay low. We dig and reach. Here we go. It's down. Pull it up. Down. Good. Challenge yourself. Get a little bit lower. There it is. Beautiful. 4. For 3. For 2. Home stretch. Here we go. We pulse it down. You cross that body. You go down. So again, all about your abs. Keep them tucked in. Get that knee higher up into your chest. Good. You've got 4. Beautiful. 3. 2. Last one, you are going to hold that squat. You pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5. Abs are tight. For 2 and 1. Beautiful. That was not easy. Shake it out. We've got our ab section. So grab that second slider or another towel if you want. Again, this can all be modified with no sliders or no towel. Whew, if you need a second, like I do, take it for yourself. Again, grab some water. I hope you're sweating because I'm sweating. We are gonna go into our plank abs. Again, if it goes on a little longer than you can hold yourself up, take a break, yeah? You don't have to push it if it's not feeling good for you. Really modify for your own body. I want you to really concentrate in these planks, staying over your hands. So that chest is really staying over your hands. I'm gonna show you as we go into that plank. So instead of rocking back like most people do in like a halfway downward dog, I want your hips lower and your chest over those hands, pressing out of the ground, squeezing that back the entire time. Beautiful. So our legs are nice and wide. We've got that right side. We're gonna cross our knee into our left shoulder. It's 8. You keep that right side for 7. Neck is nice and long. Beautiful. Keep pressing out of the floor. You've got 4. Woo. You've got 3. You've got 2, last one. Now we go to that left side for 8. Here we go. 8. It's 7, 6, 5. Beautiful. Stay over those hands. Keep pressing out of the floor. You've got 2 more. Last one. Now 4 on the right. Here we go for 4. For 3, navel to spine. Abs are tight. 2 more. Last one. Left side. It's nice and slow for a reason, so stick with me. You've got 2. Last one. Now 2 on the right. Here we go. It's 2 and 1. Good. Left side for 2. Last one. Single each side. 1 and out. 1. Last time. Beautiful. Here we go. We squeeze our legs together. Knees come into our chest, just the right side. For 4. For 3. Keep pressing out of the ground. 2. Last one. I know this gets really spicy really quickly, but you can do this. 3. Good. 2. Last one. Tap your shoulders for 8. Tap it down. 7. Trying to eliminate the rock. 6. You've got 5. You can do this. 4. I'm going to give you a break really soon. 2. Last one. Beautiful. Take a break in child's pose. Woo! This is probably the hardest one, guys. I know these abs are difficult, but you can do it. Challenge yourself. If you need to take a break, absolutely do it. All right, we've got a second set, a little bit different. All right, just that right side. It's going to come into your right shoulder for 8. Here we go. It's a wide bent leg, spider. Bring it back. 7. You've got 6. 5. For 4. For 3. You've got 2. Beautiful. Left side, here we go. It's in. Get it all the way up to that shoulder, higher than you want to go. 4 more. 4. Feel that left oblique. 2 more. Last one. Both legs go out and in. Here we go. It's out. Squeeze in. Out. Keep lifting. Navel to spine. Beautiful. Give me 2 more. You've got 2. We tap our shoulders. Finale. Here we go. 8. 7. 6. 5. Eliminate the rocking. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Beautiful. Child's pose. Roll it up. Such a nice job, you guys.